Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And here I am today. My name is Janvi. You might be thinking, why is she revealing her face to demons? I have been making videos since long, but today why she's making the video, showing her face. So सुना होगा ना कभी कि कोई एकदम से चीज़ बहुत बूस्ट कर जाती है and it forces you to just forget everything and do what your heart wants. So that is what happened today. Mm, I just thought of making a video and just sharing some little views which I have experienced in my life. And it might sound something cringe, but yeah, सभी टाइम के साथ सीखते हैं, मुश्किलों से सीखते हैं, वही होगा, वही करेंगे, तो लेट्स ग्रो टुगेदर। और पर्पस इस वीडियो का सिर्फ इतना ही है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू बिल्ड योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, टू बी अ कॉन्फिडेंट पर्सन, एंड सेकेंड ऑफ ऑल टू रिमूव द सोशल एनजाइटीज़। बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स है। उसका सोल्यूशन सिर्फ एक ही है कि जंग तो लड़नी है। अब ये तुम्हारे ऊपर है कि तुम रो के लड़ो या हंस के। तो मैंने चुना, क्यों ना सेकंड ऑप्शन ही चुना जाए, ज़्यादा बेटर है, क्योंकि जीना तो है, मरेगा तो कोई नहीं, तो हंस के ही जीते। तो हंसने की कुछ छोटी छोटी वजह है, उनमें से एक ये भी है। तो ऐसी है लाइफ, और लाइफ की टाइमिंग्स भी कुछ ऐसी होती है। सो इसी से एक टॉपिक निकलता है, टाइमिंग ऑफ यूनिवर्स। आपने सुना होगा भगवत गीता में कि कर्म कर, फल की चिंता मत कर। एंड द रीज़न बिहाइंड दिस इज जस्ट यू हैव टू वर्क, बिकॉज what is the result you will be getting, you also don't know. What is written for you, what is the destiny, it's just on the god. Live it. You don't know, maybe you are just waiting or asking for a small flower, but he has written a flower, maybe of your favorite, or the garden for you. So बहुत सी कहावत है ऐसे तो कि शायद तुम चम्मच लेके भगवान के सामने खड़े और उसमें पूरा समुंदर लिख के रखा हो। एंड इफ़ यू आस्क मी, यस, दिस इज ट्रू, दिस इज ट्रू। Okay, today also I cannot share everything on social media, and that's okay. Everyone likes to keep their life private, and it's okay to keep it private because you don't want your things to be shared everyone, but yes, you can share your experience, and that is what I'm doing, and that is what I want you all to do. First of all, never forget. You can forgive, maaf kar dijiye, but never forget whatever happened. Second, just build a life that you want. Work for your dreams. If you feel there are any kind of troubles or barriers that are taking you back and did not allow you to move further, I'll say you to cut the rope, because it is important. If you will not move further, who are they? Who are the people you are thinking about? See, I'm such a overthinker. I'm really a big overthinker, but today I'm revealing my face. Today I'm showing my face and posting this video. It's not because of the people. It's because I have to prove myself that you are the one. You can live a life that you wanted. And I don't think so it's wrong. And if it's wrong, the people over there may be wrong. Just enjoy yourself. Just be in yourself. I'll say you to record yourself. You might have seen many girls, many boys just making their videos for the future version of them. It sound cringe, but actually it is the bestest way to live. Because you are making video of today and you are just saying that I want this thing, I want that thing in the past, sorry, in the future. And when you will achieve, no, you can just see that video that these are the things I have dreamed once. And it's becoming true. These do mirror talks. I just used to do mirror talk almost 6 to 7 times in a day. And today I've got the guts of making this video where I'm still doing a mirror talk and I've kept the video here. So होते होते होगा, ऐसे नहीं होगा, लेकिन करना आप ही को होगा। No one is going to help you. Seriously, you think that this person is your best friend, that person is your best friend, he is going to help you, she is going to help you, but at the end, when you need a help, no one is going to. Mind my words, no one. It's just your family, but how much you will be dependent on them? Now you are at the age where you have to become independent. So why not to become? Why not to take a risk? It's okay. रिस्क ही तो लेना है ना. लाइफ तो ख़त्म नहीं हो जाएगी, क्या होगा? फेल हो जाओगे. ओके, विल गेट एन एक्सपीरियंस. कुछ नहीं होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा. यही बहुत कुछ सिखा देता है. लोग सिर्फ, पीपल जस्ट टेक लैक्स and just standing on a stage and speaking. What they are doing, they are just experiencing and sharing their experiences, what they have experienced, and they can take thousands, crores rupees, and lakhs of rupees for that. You just also try. Don't, and if you have the social anxiety, public speaking fear, just try this once on a YouTube. Then try it in a small circle with your friends. Then move ahead. See, one thing I'll say you. Whenever you feel that no, I can't do this, or it's not maybe made for me, push yourself from inside. I have done this thing a lot. Hold your hands this kind. Take a deep breath and say yourself, you can do it. Because I know and I believe in yourself. No one, I literally saying you, no one. When you will be in trouble, when you will be in a situation, maybe the people are ready to help you, but they cannot provide you that peace you want from inside. And that is just you and you can do for yourself. I have done this many times. Means maybe I have given 7 to 10 interviews in which I just feel, means I cannot breathe. I just hold my hand, took a long, deep breath. I told myself, you can do it. I know you will do it. And you won't believe I cracked the interviews. Seriously. It might sound that maybe I'm joking, but my smile can show you. And one more thing, manifest as much as you can, because manifestations really work. I am the person sitting in front of you and saying this thing because my life before this was horror, I can say, but I have no words for that. But today, the life I'm living is just I have made for myself. Now, the people who are knowing me, they'll be asking, what is something means interesting in that? You're living, you're eating, you're sleeping. But I know I was doing these things before also, but I didn't have inner peace. Today I have that. Today I'm stable with my emotions. Today I am the person who can talk to myself, be myself, do whatever I can. I just used to do something stupid things almost time in the public because I have to remove my social anxiety, and I think you should also try that. It's not a bad idea because see, the person standing in front of you might be thinking she's mad. Let it be. That person don't know you. You don't know that person. They'll be just looking you, ignoring. That's what you also do with the people. When you see a person belonging in the public, you just look them and ignore. And that is what the people do with you also. You are not someone so special or Miss World that they'll be recording you. No. So just relax. See, don't take life so seriously. It's not a thing to take seriously, it's a thing to enjoy. Seriously, enjoy it. Because when you will go, no, or when you will be on your last breath, on the dead bread, sorry, bed, death bed, you'll be thinking, yeah, I have not enjoyed. I have just saved money for my kids, parents, this and that. And I don't want to let, seriously, I don't want that life. I want to leave. And in the future, I just want to leave. Nothing else. Find many ways to live. Maybe your hobbies, follow your passion, follow your hobbies, work for yourself, take some holidays, go out with your friends alone, however you want. I just find peace in meditating. I seriously find peace in meditating. I seriously find peace where I'm alone. I don't want anyone around me. I just want nature and just sitting alone. These things have really healed me. And today also, these things are healing me. So be in yourself and wait for the correct timing. Don't chase boyfriends or all of these things. See, if you're broken now, you really having much more energy. Put that energy, utilize that energy on working on yourself. Don't be that person who is just working on or just looking for someone to heal you. No, you are the one who can heal yourself, and you can heal yourself permanently. The another person will heal you temporarily, and that person will also leave you. I don't know, no one is made for you. And who is made for you, God will send them at the correct time, and it's the time. Just work on yourself and become the bestest version of you. Thank you so much. That's it for the video. I hope you learned something, and these are my experiences. I'll be sharing more, but this is totally a raw video. I'll not edit it even this much. So yes, let's experience and come online and share your experiences. This is quite cool. Thank you so much.